Good morning. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 today.
Oh, nice. I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early. Why so early?
I like doing exercise in the morning.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do light stretching daily.
That's good for your body.
Yes, it gives me good energy.
What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Same. Then I made some tea.
Tea in the morning feels perfect.
Yes, it helps me feel awake.
Do you eat breakfast early?
Yes, around 8 every day.
What did you eat today?
Just bread, eggs, and fruit.
Simple and healthy. Good choice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I check messages and prepare for work.
Oh, I study after breakfast.
Nice. Do you study at home?
Yes, I make notes and read books.
Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, I write tasks on paper.
That's a good habit to keep.
Yes, it helps me stay focused.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I take a short break or nap.
Oh, I nap sometimes too.
Short naps feel very refreshing.
Yes, they give new energy.
Do you go outside in the evening?
Yes, I go for a small walk.
Same here. I walk for 30 minutes.
Evening walk feels peaceful and calm.
Yes, the weather is nice then.
What do you do at night?
I watch a show or read.
That sounds relaxing and simple.
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
What time do you sleep usually?
I sleep around 10 or 11.
Oh, I sleep a little later.
Haha, try sleeping early sometimes.
Yes, I will try tonight.
Okay, I must finish my work now.
Sure, I also have things to do.
Let's talk again later today.
Yes, message me anytime.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Take care and rest.